Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry you're a little bit crooked right now. My tripod broke, so this is what we're dealing with at the moment. But welcome back to my second video with my tattoo journey. In the last video, we saw how two of the things that I bought did not work out, which was the tattoo pen and the fake skins. So right now I am using new fake skins and a brand new tattoo machine. So let's see how it works. So I have my brand new fake skins, which are a lot thicker this time, but it only comes with 4 sheets, so I am going to cut them so that I have more. I might cut one just in half and then the other one's like in quarters. Okay, so for the first sheet, I cut it in half because I wanted to have like bigger pieces for line work and circles and that kind of practice. And then I cut smaller pieces for more like designs when I start to do that. So there's 6 pieces here. There's my skins. And then I have one big sheet left that I'm not going to cut until I go through all this. New haircut. Finally came, so I actually have everything I need now. So nice. Unbox. I don't know, the material smells really good. Okay. A fake skin, which is actually pretty thick, which is nice. I feel like that is a good telltale sign because of the last ones. Transfer paper again, little disposable gloves, the caps again, tape. Oh, these are so tiny. There's our ink, the needles, and the machine itself. We have the manual. I'm going to show you guys all the features and why I specifically bought this one too. It comes with a second battery, plugs, everything. Don't know what that's for. And don't know what this is for. So I'm going to read the manual and we'll see. Okay, so then I'm going to get this ready with this because it finally came in. And it says I should dilute 1 to 5 to 8 parts. So I'm going to just do 1 to 8 parts, and this is measured by 25s. I found that if I do 25 to this 200 mark, that should be 1/8. Weirdly, it smells like dog shampoo. I don't know if I should like shake it. And I'm saran wrapping everything. Okay, I now have everything I need to be set up, I think. But let me explain why I got this machine specifically. I wanted something that had a adjustable depth. I don't think that's the right word. Anyways, but basically this will help with like lining and shading when I start to do that. And it clicks so you can spin the handle and it'll go onto different settings. And then also you can adjust the depth through this part. And the frequencies can be adjusted on the side with plus and minus. So that's why I chose this one. Hopefully it works. I think it will. I watched some reviews before I got this one, so I think I'm gonna have much better results than I did last time. So let's go ahead and see how the line work looks. Sorry my angles are so horrible. I have the machine loaded up. The needle, this needle is 1203 RL, I think. Don't ask me what that means, but it is the thinnest needle, and I have it inside the plastic so it's not sticking out. And then I put the tension, I think this is called tension, that's what I was trying to go for, I don't remember, at 4.2 because I think they said that that's how you want to start with the line work. And I'm just going to turn it on, and then right now it's at a frequency of 8 and 91 hertz. So let's just get started and see what happens. I think that's just gotta jump into it. Oh, by the way, here's my practice sheet. I used these little stencils again, so I haven't used the actual like tattoo stencils that it's been coming with yet, because I don't think I need to use them just yet. So I'm gonna wait to use those until I actually need them. Oh, I took the tape off. So I had to take this off because it's very difficult to change the depth. It's much easier to change the tension, but it's very difficult to change the depth. You have to hold it in a very like specific way so that you're not changing the tension at the same time. Definitely already much better than the other skins and machine that I had, so I'm just gonna keep practicing and I guess show you the results at the end. I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what I got up to today. So this is what I first started on, just like right out of the bag machine, just wanted to like do some stuff, right? And then I kind of, you know, wanted to try all of the different settings on the machine. So I started off, all of this is the needle 0.30, and you can see here I went from frequencies. I started at 6 and then I went down to the lowest, so it's not in order, but I started in frequency 6 and then changed the tension, and these were the kind of results I was getting. And I went down to 4, did the same thing, and then went to 4.5 because I didn't want to do like 4.1. You know, I felt like that was kind of tedious, so I did that. And then I got up to frequency 5 and then 5.5, and then I kind of started to realize that I don't really have to go down in tensions because they just start to give like this kind of result. You know, if you're using frequency 4.5 and tension 4.2, you're gonna get like this kind of result, because that's not what that tension is used for. It's not used for line work, it's used for shading. So that's when I kind of like realized what I liked using more. So anything from 3.6 to a 4.2 was really good for line work, and my favorite frequencies were anything from a 7 to a 10 probably. The 11 gets a little bit scary, so I wouldn't recommend going past 11 or 11.5 because it just like, I don't know, it just gets a little bit scary. So yeah, definitely have like my favorite types of tension and frequencies that I've used so far, and this is all one needle. So I want to test out the other needles too, but I wanted to just like kind of get used to everything first. And then I'm going to start on circles, I guess, and probably try to keep one of the frequencies that are on this side to do those. And then I'm going to try the even smaller needle and kind of go over the same steps, probably not as much as I did for this needle. And then I'm going to do it with the shading needles as well. My hair looks crazy because I just took off my headlamp, but that is all I have for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I think the next video I'm going to try to practice on shading, and then maybe start trying to like tattoo designs, you know, or like anime characters. I don't know, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Hope to catch you in the next one.